Hey Underdogs, welcome back to Underdogs Rise, the podcast where we rise together. Today I want to talk to you about a simple sentence that can feel very heavy. Now, I'm a lover of music, and I was inspired by this line that came from a song. Nobody's knocking on my door. And I felt it. I really felt it. My phone isn't ringing, the invitations aren't arriving, opportunities may not be appearing. But as the silence grows, so does the questions. Have I been forgotten? Do I matter? And why does nobody seem to notice me? But there is another way to understand that silence. Because nobody's knocking on your door. It can feel lonely. We are all social creatures. We all want that connection. We all want to feel seen. And we know and want to know that what we are doing matters. But there is a hidden gift inside the silence. Because that is when you discover who you are when there is no audience. You can discover whether your own purpose belongs to you or it's for the approval of other people. And many of us spend years waiting for permission, waiting for other people's approval just to move, or waiting for someone just to arrive in our lives and tell us, you can move now. But life itself rarely works that way. The world itself doesn't come knocking on your door. Sometimes it's us, it's ourselves who must open the door and just take one step outside. Because growth itself often begins in quiet places. It's the unseen moments where nobody is watching, where true commitment is tested. And maybe because no one is knocking, because you have become a safe place. A place of strength, a place of wisdom. But then maybe life itself is asking you to become the person who knocks on those doors. The one who reaches out first. The one who starts a conversation. To build a community you wished existed. But it's that waiting that keeps us pausing or just standing on that threshold of our own lives. But when we move, just a simple move, hasn't got to be complicated. That can change things. One phone call, Just one phone call, one text message. They're the steps with meaning. The smallest of actions can open doors for us that years of waiting never could. Think of the people that have inspired you. Did they wait for the world to discover them? No, they kept showing up. And eventually the world responded. So today, family, if you're sitting in the silence, hearing no one knocking at your door, don't make that same silence a mistake. Like it's saying, this is absence. Silence is not proof that nothing is happening. The roots of a tree grow in silence. The dawn arrives in silence. And our hearts heal in silence. Maybe the next chapter of your own life is already forming beneath the surface. Under the current that nobody can see. Nobody's knocking on your door, and that's okay. You're not merely waiting for your life to begin. You're already living it. You're participating in it. With every step, every open door. Share your gift with the world. Offer your kindness. To trust, you have to trust again. And one day, maybe you'll discover that the door you were waiting to hear the knock from was never the most important door at all. Maybe the most important door was inside of you all along. Underdogs rise, and we rise together.